Frank Pisano. I'm actually the CEO of Bluefin, and I've been almost at my role for almost 2 years now.
You say actually the CEO. It's like you're surprised?
I am still surprised to this day, Dave, that somebody would entrust me with their company.
Me too, actually.
Yes, I've known you a long time. I'm sure you're more surprised than I am.
Let's not go there.
Yeah.
So we were both separately in Asia recently, and you went for the first time to your factory in Shenzhen.
I did. Actually, I wish I even went before, but the Shenzhen was an amazing experience.
Mm-hmm.
Just seeing the product quality and the commitment to quality that the team has over there, it was something else.
Is that like a dedicated factory for you guys? It's not contract manufacturing?
Nope, it's only we only produce for our products, and ultimately we produce everything that we make. We're an assembler of our own displays with our own proprietary. Obviously, we got to buy proprietary stuff like bright sign boards and other things, but everything else is assembled by us. We have our own SMT lines, and it was pretty incredible seeing the quality controls that we have.
Right. So my understanding of Bluefin is design product in Atlanta and in stateside. Get manufacturing done over there, then final assemblies back in stateside, right?
Well, some of the final assembly. So we have light assembly in Atlanta and in Amsterdam. So we can actually put in the operating systems there locally. So we can turn around products very quickly. We are stocking a lot more products than we have before. So we call it our core product lines, where we can exchange out boards. We can exchange out BrightSign for Android or Linux or Chrome OS or Windows platforms.
Is that a big ask now, where you kind of need that diversity of media players?
I mean, ultimately, it's we deal with the ecosystem and the partners that are here, right? So we find out what is their best Swiss Army knife, I like to call it. It's like what operates the best for the ultimate end customer and their experience. So we'll put in whatever operating system they ask us for, and then a lot of times the local stock provides a very nice proof of concept very quickly. And then we can really customize things, and it's not good enough anymore, right? So we'll try to design things bespoke directly to their needs.
Look at you, bespoke.
I don't know how to spell it, but I know how to say it.
Custom, Frank, custom. You're not a Brit. So you guys have, I think of Bluefin as small displays, shelf edge displays, countertop, that sort of thing. But in the last year or so, you're now, I think you're up to like 45-inch or
no, we'll even do bigger now. Okay. So honestly, Dave, we didn't dream of let's do big displays. I assure you of that. So even when I was at BrightSign, I knew Bluefin as small, a lot of interactive displays, 10 to 32-inch-ish, and then some things. But our customers are taking us there. We're not doing it because we think we want to be the big display capital of the world. We're doing it because the customers are asking us for it. They need something just different, right? So maybe they need interactive, maybe they need multiple mounting points, or maybe they just like continuous the same product across the portfolio.
Right. Okay. So I mean, there's a lot of smart displays out there that have a built-in intelligence and everything else, but those aren't meeting the needs of these folks.
No, that's absolutely the case, because a lot of those are meeting the needs of the good enough, and a lot of these folks need a little bit more compute. They need higher end, whether they need an Intel platform, maybe they need a higher end BrightSign platform. So we also go across the BrightSign range as well with some different things, or they need just more compute for wayfinding or touch interactive. So maybe it's the good enough isn't working for them, and they need some their CMS is going to require a little bit more compute power.
Is the business still primarily retail, or are you expanding into other areas?
Retail is definitely our biggest vertical, but we've absolutely expanded into all other verticals, corporate communication, higher education, transportation. So it's been fun. The corporate, the commercial AV world has been my world for a long time. So it's fun interacting with the channel and figuring out what we're going to need to really specifically meet their needs of the channel. So having stock definitely helps, because they need it now. They don't want to wait 4 to 5 weeks, which is our normal delivery time. And so now we're actually able to produce products quickly for them, turn it around fast, and it's meeting all the needs of all vertical markets.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, Dave. Always good to see you.